Hello and welcome back to second part of date and time function. We are going to have quiz at the end, so keep watching.
MySQL date and time functions part 2. Some other commonly used date and time function are month, month name, day of month, year, day of year, now, and sysdate. Let's try to understand. First, month. This function displays the month for the specified date. Let's see its syntax. Select month X, where X is any date. It displays 1 for January, 2 for February, 3 for March, and so on. Example, select month 26th of July 2020. So it will display month from the date. Let's check the output. You can see that 7 is extracted, which is the month number. Next is month name. This function displays the name of the month for the specified date. Syntax, select month name X, where X is any date. Example, two different dates I have given with month name function. You can see that it will display the name of the month. Let's see the output. Here in the first example, 3 is there, that is March. In the next example, 7, that means July. Next is day of month. This function displays the day of the month for the specified date. Syntax is select day of month in bracket X, where X is any date. So it will display the day number from 1 to 30. Examples, select day of month, that is 14th February 2020, and the other example I have taken is 25th May 2020. So let's see what happens in MySQL. So in the first example, it is extracting the number, that is 14, that is day, and in the second, 25th is the day, so 25 is extracted. Next function is year. This function displays the year from the specified date. Syntax is select year X, where X is the date. Example, select, again it is 25th May 2020. So it will extract the year from it, and you can see the output that 2020 is displayed. Next is day of year. This function displays the day of the year for the specified date. Syntax is select day of year, where X is the date, and it will display day of the year from 1 to 365 or 366. That means it will display that which number is that particular date of the year. Try to understand with the help of example. That is, select day of year 26th July 2020. So let's see that which day it is. And you can see that it is 208th day of the year. Function is now. This function displays the current date and time. Syntax is select now. That's very simple. It displays the constant time that indicates the time at which the statement began to execute. Let's understand with the help of example. Select now. See the output. I have given two now function, and you can see that it displays the current date and time. Next is sysdate or system date. This function displays the date and time at which the function executes. Syntax is select sysdate with empty parenthesis. And you can notice that example is also similar, that is select sysdate with empty parenthesis. So let's see the output. Again, I have given two sysdate commands, and you can see the changes in the timings. And also you can see that one row is set with 0.02 seconds, and in second one 0.00 seconds. So that is the difference between now and sysdate. Now we are done with all the date and time functions. So let's quickly revise what we have studied today. First, month to display the month of the date. Month name to display the name of the month. Day of month to display the day of the month. Year to display the year. Day of year to display the day of the year. And now to display the date and time. And finally, sysdate to display the date and time at which function executes. So thank you for watching. Now it's quiz time. Link for the quiz is given in the description below. Have fun, but don't forget to like, share and subscribe.